Presenting the 2000 Mazda B Series 2 WD truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include ABS, passenger airbag on-off switch, passenger airbag, driver airbag, power steering, rear-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo, and front disc rear drum brakes. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.